Our image is appearing in our story, but it's way too big. That's because the image file itself is actually larger than we want it to be. We can change the image size, and we will do that inside the image tag that is in between the alien ears. After we've given our image tag a source, and remember this source is the address that tells our HTML page where to find the image that we want it to use in our story, I'll type another space and I will type style. If you remember from our paragraph tag, we also defined some style features for a paragraph tag when we changed its color. Now we're going to use style to change the size of the image. And we'll do that by, after typing style, hitting equals and 2 quotation marks. Inside those quotation marks, we can create some styling rules. And typically with HTML and images, you only define either the width or the height. And this is done usually in pixels. And so pixels are the tiny little lights across your screen. And by defining a width like 300 pixels or 500 pixels, we can set the image to be a certain width. Thankfully, the height will automatically scale so that the picture does not get warped. So I'm going to set width by typing width and then a colon, and then I will say 700px followed by a semicolon. That is the piece of code that will instruct our HTML page to take that image from where it is on the internet and then resize it to have a width of 700 pixels. Let's take a look at what this looks like now. If I compile my story, we can see that we've got our title here, and the image is a much more appropriate size for our readers as they get started.